Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a do until loop in Power Automate. This is a powerful feature that lets you repeat actions until a specific condition is met, which is perfect for automating repetitive tasks. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Power Automate account credentials. This will give you access to all the automation features and tools you need to build your flow. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look to the left side of your screen and click on Create. This option opens up various flow templates and creation methods you can choose from. From the menu that appears, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger your automation manually whenever you need it, giving you full control over when the process runs. Next, you'll see different trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point. This means your automation will only run when you decide to activate it. Once you've selected this trigger, click the Create button to begin building your flow. Now, click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search bar that appears, type initialize variable and click on it when it shows up. This step is crucial because you'll be creating a counter that tracks how many times your loop has run. In the name field, enter a name for your variable, for example, counter. This helps you identify it later when you reference it in other actions. Next, click the drop-down menu next to type and select integer. This tells Power Automate that your variable will store whole numbers. Then in the value field, type 0. This sets your counter to start from 0, which will increment with each loop iteration. After setting up your variable, click the plus icon again and search for do until. Click on it to add this control to your flow. The do until loop is what allows your automation to repeat actions until a certain condition is satisfied, making it incredibly useful for tasks that need to run multiple times. Inside the do until loop, click the plus icon and search for the action you want to repeat. For this example, search for post message in chat or channel and click on it. This action will be performed repeatedly until your condition is met. In the post as field, select Flowbot, and in the post in field, choose chat with Flowbot. Then add a recipient and type your desired message in the message field. This is the content that will be sent each time the loop runs. Now click the plus icon again within the do until loop and search for increment variable. Click on it to add this action. In the name field, click and select counter or whatever you named your variable earlier. This tells Power Automate which variable to increase. Then in the value field, enter 1. This means that every time the loop runs, your counter will increase by 1, helping you track how many iterations have occurred. Next, click on the do until header to configure the condition that determines when the loop should stop. In the first field, click the thunder icon and select counter from the dynamic content menu. This references your variable. Then click the drop-down menu in the middle and select is greater than. Finally, in the value field on the right, enter a number like 5. This sets your loop to stop once the counter exceeds 5, meaning your action will repeat 5 times before the flow moves forward. And there you have it. Your do until loop is now set up and ready to automate repetitive tasks in Power Automate. You can now save and run your flow whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.